Intriguing if we tell them that I wrote the song about you. Aww.
It's
now they'll listen to the words.
Yes.
All right.
It'll make you cry. Get the tissues.
Okay.
Into your eyes, it's nothing I have seen before. It's fire, it's rain. I'm going insane. My head is fighting my heart. Don't know what to do, but right from the start, all I say now is you. To break me into, I don't know if I could take it, so hold me, promise me. I just need to know you mean it and you keep your word to keep me safe in your embrace, and things get right. Tell me that there will be no giving up, 'cause all I say now is you and me, and it looks so perfect. This could be worth it, but if you decided to break me into, I don't know if I could take it, so hold me, promise me, so hold me, just promise me. When I look into your eyes, it's nothing I have seen before. It's fire, it's rain.
I like the reverb.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Sarah. Appreciate you.
Kiana's original song. It's fire, it's rain.
Probably the last time I'll do that one live.